What if you already have a database and now you need to put it on the cloud? How do you do that? This is a very real scenario, and today we're going to talk about the different migration tools that are available to us to help migrate data and databases. So, data migration is a really important thing when it comes to databases because we want to make sure that all of the data that we had in an initial database is actually going into the cloud safely, securely, and accurately. Now, AWS has its own migration tool called the AWS Database Migration Service. And this is exactly what it sounds like. It's a service for migrating your database from one place to AWS. And it supports both relational and non relational databases. The great thing about this is that it minimizes any downtime in your database. It can be done really quickly, really effectively, and it's got that flexibility. So, whatever database you are using that you start off with, we can find a place for it in AWS. Now, when we talk about migrating databases, there's a couple of different terms that we use. These are homogeneous and heterogeneous. And a homogeneous migration is where you're going from a relational database to another relational database that is in the cloud. So in this example here, we've got an on-premise MySQL to a Amazon relational database service, which can also have a MySQL database on it. That's our homogeneous one because it's kind of same. But when we look at the heterogeneous one, in this one, you're going from an on-premise MySQL, the same one as this one. But in this case, we're not going to the same thing in the cloud. We're actually going to an Amazon Aurora one. So in order to actually do these types of migrations, there's a special tool that AWS has, which is called the Amazon Schema Conversion Tool. And the Schema Conversion Tool helps specifically with those migrations, which are going from one database to a different type of database on the cloud. So the Schema tool helps to reorganize things, make it really seamless, so it's a nice, easy conversion to do. This is a great overview, very quick, of the different migration services that AWS has. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.